Understanding Loom Weaving, an English language learner's guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of loom weaving. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding this phrase will not only expand your vocabulary but also give you insight into a traditional craft. So, let's get started. Loom weaving is a phrase that combines two words, loom and weaving. A loom is a tool used for making fabric by weaving yarn or thread. Weaving, on the other hand, is the act of forming fabric by interlacing threads. Together, loom weaving refers to the process of creating fabric using a loom. This is a traditional craft that has been practiced for thousands of years in various cultures around the world. Loom weaving is not just a phrase. It's a gateway to a rich history. This craft has been central to many civilizations, used for making everything from clothing to artistic tapestries. It's a skill that has been passed down through generations, reflecting the cultural heritage and artistic expression of various societies. Understanding loom weaving connects you to these historical and cultural narratives. In today's world, loom weaving still holds significance. While modern machinery has taken over much of fabric production, handloom weaving is cherished for its artisanal value. It's seen as a form of art and a way to preserve traditional techniques. The phrase loom weaving today can evoke images of both historical practices and contemporary craft, blending tradition with modern creativity. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase loom weaving and its rich cultural significance. Remember, learning English isn't just about words and grammar. It's also about exploring the stories and traditions behind these words. Keep learning and exploring, and you'll find that language can open up a world of history, culture, and art. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.